for, ladies and gentlemen, TK. Well, I like that. Yeah. Tulsi Kumar, give it up. That's super cool.
Life has been good to me.
Amazing texture again. The voice and tod phod. And now, ladies and gentlemen, the Munda. Oh, ho jaye yaar taliyan for Raftaar. Give it up for Raftaar. Welcome. सबसे पहले रफ्तार बाजी आपसे ये कुछ कह रही हैं वो बेबस करूंगी आपको एंड ऑल दैट तो हुए बेबस इनके एटीट्यूड से जिस हिसाब से गाया है
Exactly यार मतलब it was fun and the energy was high level वहाँ पे shoot पे भी she was very hyper she was the one who was a bit scared and skeptical about कि मतलब कैसे करना है क्या करना है वो मतलब तैयार थी बहुत वो बहुत आग में थी किसे कहते हैं ना the fire has to be there
right.
and it was there और वो एक चाहत होती है ना and even though she was a bit shy and scared which I think I should say but she overcame it and she was like नहीं मेरे को करना है
right.
और कुछ रिस्की करना है अपने जोन से बाहर करना है रिस्ट्रिक्टेड बॉक्स में नहीं रहना मतलब for me these are the Charlie's Angels एक कम है एक कम है आंटी को बुला लेते हैं
ठीक है यहाँ पे आप ही तीनों से बना देते हैं हम 40 एंजल्स ये नया कॉम्बिनेशन है ट्राई हुए आप बताओ मेरे को एज ही सेड वर यू लाइक सैटिस्फाइड फुल ऑन अभी यू वर लाइक एकदम चिल्ड एकदम ठीक है आई एम एंजॉयिंग द सॉन्ग यार मतलब खुशहाली वाज या
Actually, this is a very different kind of a song that I've done. And my last collaboration with Kushali was for Mere Papa, which was an out-and-out emotional song, which was, of course, a tribute to our father. And here, this is like a very youth-oriented, very fun track. And the best thing is, whenever I come together for a song with her, right from the root level, I am part of it. And even my rendition, if everybody's hearing it out, it's changing. And I'm getting an opportunity to experiment and show a different side of my vocals. And I think it's a very youth-oriented, peppy, fun track. And I absolutely enjoyed being a part of this. That's why I'm वहाँ बैठ के भी अभी groovy कर रही थी.
What we should mention is the best part of the song is very clean lyrics.
Yes.
Please take note of that. Cleanest possible as of now.
साफ सुथरी है ना खुशहाली for you वहाँ बैठ के हमने देख लिया वो स्टेप्स आप पूरे कर रहे थे लेकिन are you like this in your real life मतलब एकदम सब तोड़ फोड़ दो
That's what he just said कि मैं थोड़ी डरी हुई थी in reality I'm little different from her मेरे को ना बाइक्स पे बहुत डर लगता है I'm very scared I can't ride a bike
अभी देखा नहीं था एंड में वो तुलसी चला के ले गई थी
मैं नहीं बैठी मैंने इसको बोला you drive
So no, even I'm not that a daring person, but yeah, we've just tried to show something that's
so I was like little scared so that's why I really enjoyed playing this character because it's not 100% like me so it was very nice and thrilling to play something which is not exactly like me so I think you get more chance to explore the character so that's what I really enjoyed and it was an amazing track like you saw me dancing the minute I heard the song and I was like so thrilled and so excited and I was like I have to be part of this and I have to be in this so that's all everything happened
and you guys have just killed it so अब हो जाए थोड़ा सा you guys want to listen to that यहाँ पे हमारे साथ साक्षात the singers are here so रफ्तार बाजी and Tulsi हो जाए and we're gonna
also get the guys who produce the music in here come in please Raji and
Sanjay and Raji who've
please.
done a
So it should be
fantastic
the whole
job
team.
with the
Yeah,
song.
yeah, yeah,
let's do that
Insanely. अब वो music तो बजा नहीं सकता है. That's the best part. Okay, let's go. तेज गाड़ी में भी speed slow. दुनिया को पीछे छोड़े Rambo in a Lambo. Yeah, I'm a self-made man, yo. तभी साफी सड़ते हैं जिसको जो कहना है can do. Thankful to God. उसके दिखाए सपने पे करूँ सपनों की दौड़. जियो खुल के टाइम भी मेरा है और रास्ता है खाली सारा हाईवे मेरा है रा
एविएटर का लगा के साइड वाली सीट पे बिठा के मेरा हाईवे स्टार थोड़ी बोतल कर चढ़ा के ऊंची ऊंची स्पीकर बजा के मेरा हाईवे स्टार मेरा हाईवे स्टार
superb the director of the video Mr. Mohan Singh amazing job director साहब के लिए भी ताली बजा लो यार come on music of course of the song Sanjay Raji along with choreographers Vijay और Dimple Ganguly उनके लिए भी जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं and now it's over to you guys खुशहाली मुझे बोलो रफ्तार ने इससे पहले जितने भी गाने किए वो तेज रफ्तार वाले भी करते हैं तुलसी आपसे भी पूछ रहा हूँ मैं तो कभी लगा कि यार वही रफ्तार वाला बिकॉज वो पकड़ना बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है ना द वे ही जस्ट धड़ निकल जाते हैं
आई थिंक उनका नाम ही रफ्तार है और इस गाने में हाईवे स्टार में रफ्तार की बहुत जरूरत थी सो दैट्स व्हाई आई थिंक वी नीडेड समबडी हु वुड रैप like the way he does. He's known for his speed
Yeah.
of rapping, and I think
And not talking about just girls, cars, and alcohol. I talk about other things as well.
What were you talking about यहाँ पे?
So there is no cars and girls and alcohol in the whole lyrics.
There's nothing. There's no
It's all
alcohol.
about coming up and being strong and making a mark.
Right.
है ना?
अगर अगर ऐसी मार्क मेकिंग अ मार्क की जहाँ तक बात है, अगर कुछ ऐसे करना होता और तुलसी का कोई रोमांटिक गाना गाना होता गाते.
किसी
ये
रोमांटिक गाने
एक्सपेरिमेंट
में
है
rap
यार, कुछ भी
करते
कर सकते हैं, मतलब एवरीथिंग इज न्यू.
Yeah, she's done it. She's done it. इतना
मैंने
तो
इनसे एक्चुअली इस गाने में वो रैप तो नहीं किया मैंने, बट जो स्पीड है मेरी भी वे ऑफ सिंगिंग, आई रिमेंबर व्हेन वी वर डबिंग द सॉन्ग अलोंग विद Sanjay, Raji and Raftaar and me, he really helped me out to bring the other side of me, because मैंने बहुत रोमांटिक गाने किए हैं, तो मेरी रफ्तार ज़रा सी धीमी और बड़ी मेलोडियस रफ्तार है, बट इन्होंने जिस
Basically
तरीके
ऐसा
से
कुछ नहीं है.
he pumped up the entire
हर तरीके से
energy.
गाती है, वो सीधी चलाती थी, मैंने ड्रिफ्ट करवा दी. So now she's drifting throughout the song.
म्यूजिशियन है, तो देखा ना उन्होंने बताया भी तो एकदम ऐसे ऐसे हाथ के पूरा इशारे से. आपसे जानना चाहूंगा सर. या प्लीज प्लीज. या
गुड आफ्टरनून एवरीबडी. तो इस लॉन्च के साथ हमारा भी लॉन्च हो रहा है एज संजय राजी एज कंपोजर्स. तो बहुत सारा प्यार चाहिए आप लोगों से. और ये जब बोल रहे थे, हम लोग जब रिकॉर्ड कर रहे थे ये गाना, तो तुलसी इज़ वेरी राइट. तब तक रफ्तार नहीं आया था स्टूडियो में, तो हम लोग डिफरेंट एज इट इज़ उसकी आप टोनल क्वालिटी देखोगे तो इट्स वेरी डिफरेंट फ्रॉम ऑल हर अदर सॉन्ग्स. So this was the basic idea, to give in front of you a very very different Tulsi Kumar. And हम लोग try कर रहे थे, हो रहा था, but थोड़ा ठंडा ठंडा था. And just when Raftaar entered the studio,
The studio was energized. And even in the rap portions, I just gave him like small, like, I mean, he did the whole thing. But in the before the second verse, I just gave him like, takita tam, takita tam. And this man is the machine gun, He's Raftaar, the machine gun.
Yes.
And of course, Tulsi, the songstress, she killed it.
आज खाली टीके बोलना है सर.
oh हाँ
ठीक है.
It's the
TK
new
और
TK.
रा.
The TK is born today.
और रा बोलना है क्या? रा.
And that name was also given by Raftaar only, because he goes, मैं तुलसी नहीं बोलूँगा, वो बहुत ना पवित्र साउंड कर रहा है, तो he changed it to TK.
इनका नाम इस
I think it's gelling very well.
it is.
भाई इन्होंने मेरे को वीडियो में इतने स्टंट्स करवाए जितने तुमने वीडियो में देखे ना, मैंने ही करे हैं. रिवर्स में 70 पे गाड़ी चलवाई है, and I know how it was so risky. And they were like, you can drift, it's okay, you just need to pull this handbrake. So that is the fun part of it, we actually rode in this, and then these guys had to drive a Ferrari out. So even the whole experience was a fun ride altogether. पहले वहाँ पे shoot किया, फिर room में shoot किया, मतलब it's like, it's totally different. And the vibe is different, but you have to have the same energy. So it's a ride altogether, the whole song.
तुलसी, आपकी कोई मेमोरेबल राइड जो आप शेयर करना चाहें?
I think Ferrari ride काफी अच्छी थी, पर मैं बहुत डर रही थी चलाते हुए. I've never driven the Ferrari before, but just for the
Actually, your
shot.
brother does not let us touch his car. So even when it was on the set, it was made sure, कि हम चला तो नहीं रहे. 10 बार कॉल आए थे कि वो दोनों चलाएंगी ही नहीं गाड़ी.
तो ऐसा कुछ हुआ था कि जिसके वजह से वो अलाउ नहीं करते आप दोनों को चलाने के
No,
लिए?
nothing like that. ऐसे नहीं है. Actually, he knows that both of us are scared. Even when he's driving and we are sitting next to him, I'm like holding on both the side and I'm sitting because
Because
I
उनकी
feel
रफ्तार बहुत
बहुत
तेज
तेज
है.
है.
अरे ये हमेशा दोनों साथ रहते हैं, यही तो इनकी बेस्ट बात है. मतलब they come in a package and that's the best thing. मतलब आज की डेट में ऐसा होता नहीं है. All these siblings and everybody in the industry is trying to get over each other, but these two are trying to maintain the same path and work together. So even while we were recording the song, she was
I
not
was
singing
there.
anything, but she was there. She was present and she was equally happy about her singing, and that's how it should be. So it's all both of them together. ऐसे कोई solo effort है ही नहीं.
Actually, her voice goes completely with mine. So many people tell me that, it feels like it's you only singing. So yeah, both of us, I think we are very well connected.
ये खुशहाली और
Collective, मतलब
हम
हम दोनों
सबका-
का, all of us, yeah.
because that was the hook that we decided on, so that's how it came out.
खुशहाली, हमने आपको एक्ट करते हुए देखा, लेकिन कभी सिंगिंग के लिए ट्राई किया आपने?
एक्चुअली जब मैं छोटी थी, हम दोनों को पापा ने सिंगिंग क्लासेस शुरू करवाए थे. वी वर लाइक barely like 3-4 year old. और मेरे को कभी भी उसमें इतना इंटरेस्ट नहीं था. आई यूज्ड टू ऑलवेज बंक एंड आई यूज्ड टू बी डांसिंग और मिमिकिंग or doing some funny things, funny expressions, and I was always more interested in drama. So I was very fond of doing all dancing and all of that, and Tulsi then continued with singing and I didn't. I left it midway. Actually मैंने 2 ही classes की थी.
The experience has been really good as you know, 3 of us have come together on this track मेरा highway star, and मेरे लिए first of its kind है क्योंकि बहुत ही fast fun peppy track है and बहुत ही कमाल का rap है by Raftaar, and it features my beautiful sister Kushali. As a team I had a great time and it was a really a learning experience for me क्योंकि इस type का track करने में जो expressions, जो attitude और जो सारी चीज़ें चाहिए थी, I think over the recording and the shoot पूरे सब चीज़ें मिलके I think मेरे लिए बहुत learning experience रहा है.
Raftaar, how was your experience? Because we know Tulsi हमेशा melodious and romantic and sad ऐसे songs के लिए जानी जाती हैं, and this is a peppy number she has given.
So the best part was कि मेरे को पूरी freedom थी. मेरे को तुलसी ने मिला, मैं कहा ये गाना है, हमारे पास ये नाम है और ये म्यूजिक है, इस पे हमें कुछ लिखना है, इस पे कुछ बनाना है, and you are free to do everything you like. तो I wrote the song and then she adapted very quickly. 4.5 घंटे के अंदर हमने पूरा गाना लिख के वहीं पे डब किया है. उसके अंदर तुलसी ने वो स्टाइल सीखा है और उस स्टाइल को सुधारा है और उसी टाइम पे गाया, और वो वही प्रोडक्ट है जो आप देख रहे हो.
सर आज आपको क्लीन टैग भी दिया गया रैपिंग के लिए,
तो
तो
उसके बारे में क्या कहना
चाहिए?
मेरे को बहुत पहले से क्लीन टैग मिला. वो इनफैक्ट वो मेरे पास गाना वो गाना ले आए इसलिए थे. उन्होंने बोला ये था कि रफ्तार हमें आपके साथ इसलिए करना है क्योंकि हमें साफ करना है.
I really enjoyed, as you see, I love dancing. I enjoyed dancing over here and on the bike with the supercars. It was a lot of fun. I completely enjoyed, and plus being with Tulsi, we talk about each and everything and doing something. We share common views on a lot of things, and then getting even Raftaar, our views were matching, and you know that's what, when your views match, you really enjoy collaborating and you enjoy the entire final product as well.
Ma'am, recently the Vinod Khanna health was very sick. What do you want to say regarding any prayer you want to do regarding that?
Sir, देखो तेरा he is sick and we always wish our best for everybody.
Exactly, yeah.
Everybody, but this question is very out of context because we are celebrating something और उसके बीच में ऐसे बोलना, it's very disrespectful on our side to say something to include such a talk in this, you know, pretext. So it is just wrong. Our best wishes are with everybody, not just one.
Kushal ma'am, you are also a designer. You have any input you have done?
I have done the entire clothes in the entire video. The styling is done by me. And I always feel, you know, every dress which I used to make, every design is to have like a story and a thought behind it. And I feel when the character, even when you are acting, there is a whole thought and a story behind it. And I found that very beautiful correlation between the two. That is something which I really enjoyed when I wore the dresses and outfit. I thought it brought a very different person in me altogether than what really I am.
Tulsi, how was your experience dancing in the video?
Oh, I love dancing. मैं बचपन में एक्चुअली काफ़ी डांस कॉम्पिटिशन्स में पार्ट लेती थी, बट डांसिंग को मैं बहुत ज़्यादा अपना फोटे बनाया नहीं, बट आई लव डांसिंग. एंड आई डोंट नो इफ यू ऑल हैव सीन, मैंने गुलाबी पे भी एक डांस वर्जन किया है, एंड इस वीडियो में मुझे डांस का मौका मिला, सो आई जस्ट grabbed the opportunity.
And it's the second song with your sister, so how was it?
It's very special. It's extremely special. Always coming together with Kushali, and जैसे मैंने बताया, it's always कुछ झगड़े होते हैं, difference of opinion होता है, but end of the day, you know, we both want the best from each other. So I think वो जब निकल के आता, when you see that product on screen and everyone, you know, loves your work, I think I'd love to collaborate with her again and again and again, because मेरे लिए मेरे को बहुत चीज़ें नई सीखने को मिलती हैं.
We keep pushing each other for the best. So in that ways we get to learn a lot.
So Kushali, any acting project coming in the pipeline?
There are certain things which are going on and I will be announcing that very soon.
तो मैम आप कुछ टिप्स देते हैं?
टिप्स नहीं वो मुझे टिप्स देती है. No, actually we mutually talk about everything, but मेरा field और zone अलग है. But yeah, definitely
we discuss each and everything.
We discuss everything before.
मैं गुलशन जी के ऊपर बायोपिक भी बन रही है गूगल, तो आप दोनों बहुत ही क्लोज थे गुलशन जी के साथ, तो कैसा फील कर रहे हैं कि उनके ऊपर बायोपिक बन रही है?
It is very, see, for me, he's my father, so it's a very emotional subject for us. But again, his story is very inspiring. We are very happy and we are proud that, we can bring this forward, which is such an inspiring thing for everyone. So it's very emotional for us at the same time.
Yeah, it's a very emotional thing. And Papa ki jo journey hai, from rags to riches, how he made an empire, built an empire and became a music mogul. I think हर कोई उनकी जो कहानी है वो जानना चाहेगा. And with this movie, his life.
It's a very strong thing. मतलब they have to go through the script and read through exactly, and that makes them miss him more. Then they have to go to the shoot of the movie. Then when the movie will be edited, then watching it before the premiere, then waiting for the people's reaction, then having a connection to it. So it is an emotional roller coaster altogether again. Exactly. So it's not an easy job, but they're still doing it. So, and it's a tribute to their father. So much respect for that.
Any upcoming project, man, you like to reveal?
I am singing for a couple of films. The next coming up would be Mubaraka. Again, मेरा उसमें एक dance गाना है. So this year you'll hear a very different side of Tulsi Kumar.
And what about
TK.
TK?
I have a lot of projects coming up with T-Series. A lot of movies are coming up which I have done songs in. So that's coming up. Maybe in the future we'll re-collaborate on something very different again.
Sure. Definitely.
Yeah.
Thank you.